This is not a test. Please stand by. The United States government has issued a state of emergency. There is a serious unknown disease spreading very rapidly. People who have contracted the disease have reportedly died and then come back to life, attacking everyone nearby. If you have seen anyone who seems to have the disease, seek shelter and contact the authorities immediately. The President of the United States has said the name of this disease is called the Z virus. Symptoms include hysteria, high fever, extreme hunger, headache, nausea, blurry vision, dizziness, fatigue, diarrhea, hallucinations, rotting skin, blackened eyes, jerking movements, extreme violence, mania and foaming at the mouth. People with this disease are extremely dangerous and should not be approached. This is a very serious emergency and is currently trying to be fixed by the United States military. If you see anyone with the disease, contact law enforcement immediately. Stay indoors and make sure you have enough non-perishable food and water for 7 to 14 days. Have firearms and ammunition in case you need to protect yourself. Have a battery-powered radio and plenty of batteries. A flashlight with plenty of batteries. Any prescription medication. First aid. Masks. Cell phone and charging cable. Source of electricity. Sleeping bags. Cash and shelter. This message has been brought to you by the United States government. May God be with you all.